Incoming transmission from Ray.
Cool.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
How about that?
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pakara.
Okay, so we're going into this, okay? We're gonna come out of the same door.
Oh, okay.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you're clear to launch.
Yes, I just won't be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First Order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we're gonna clear the path so transport can make a jump!
Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake it, Blue!
I'm trying!
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get it clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake.
So let's just see, this is where we're going into.
I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Alright, sympathizers. This ship is under the full command of the First Order. It will proceed directly to the interrogation hallway, beginning with 2. Exit. Number 1.
But it doesn't feel like we're actually like going. I just feel like we're like.
3. Exit. 6. Exit. exit. Following 5.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting chills. Wow.
May the force be with you.
I see him smiling.
Move along, resistance spies. Marvel at the glory of the First Order.
You have what kind of order?
The First Order.
You have a first order? You should take a shower.
It makes no difference. Left, right.
This is, what do you call this in teenage language, Elizabeth? Teenage language, what is this? What's cool? Sick.
I don't know. He's shaking his head. I don't know.
Okay, we figured out teenage, what is this? It slaps?
Sure.
It slaps.
Uh-oh, you're gonna get in trouble.
This place slaps. Yeah, know what I say. Sanitize when you can.
And again, there's also a sanitizer drilling inside the cell.
All right.
Oh, this is like the cruise hand sanitizer. Oh. It's the cruise hand sanitizer. Smell it.
Hold it.
Oh, you're holding.
Why don't you have your wife hold it? What do you think? I'm just joking.
Prisoners are secure. General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
How much?
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's cracking a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. Why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. Destroy the...
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Wow. Yes, R5, you too.
Whoa, awesome! Thank you, we made it. That was good.
That was awesome.
That was snap. That was super snap. That was off the hook.
I wish it went farther now.
That was awesome.